Streaks and water spots? Not on our watch. Meet the OXO Good Grips Squeegee. Your cleaning sidekick. You just spent forever scrubbing your shower, only to step back and see streaks, water spots, and soap scum laughing at you. Your windows? Covered in drip marks. Your mirrors? A foggy mess. And don't even get started on those cheap plastic squeegees that barely last a month before falling apart. You need a real cleaning weapon, something that doesn't just push water around but actually leaves your surfaces spotless. Enter the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Squeegee, the tool you never knew you needed, but now can't live without. You've tried paper towels, rags, and those flimsy dollar store squeegees, but they all leave streaks, frustration, and wasted time. The OXO Good Grips Squeegee is different. It's built with a flexible yet firm blade that glides effortlessly over windows, mirrors, tiles, and shower doors, leaving a crystal clear, streak-free finish. Even on rippled surfaces, it bends and flexes for flawless water removal. And that soft, contoured handle? It's designed to never slip from your grip, even when soaking wet. With the OXO Good Grips Squeegee, cleaning becomes weirdly satisfying. The 10-inch stainless steel design is sturdy, sleek, and built to last, unlike those flimsy plastic alternatives. One smooth swipe and water, soap scum, and fog disappear. Plus, the included suction cup holder means no more digging around under the sink, just stick it to the wall for easy access. No streaks, no mess, just a sparkling clean surface every time. Can it handle daily showers, foggy mirrors, car windows, and kitchen spills? Absolutely. It's lightweight yet tough, engineered for effortless, everyday use. Unlike other squeegees that lose their edge, the OXO's premium quality blade maintains its shape and performance over time. And while competitors claim streak-free cleaning, the OXO actually delivers, with 5-star reviews to back it up. No blade replacements needed, no flimsy parts, just pure, no-fuss cleaning power. Finally, you found a squeegee that actually works. Your shower doors? Spotless. Your mirrors? Crystal clear. Your windows? So streak-free, birds might mistake them for open air. Say goodbye to scrubbing, wiping, and re-wiping. With the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Squeegee, one swipe is all it takes. Affordable, durable, and ridiculously effective, this is the last squeegee you'll ever need. Click Add to Cart now and upgrade your cleaning game forever.